Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I got another review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see from the box, it is another dunk for you guys. Let's open these ones and see which one it is. As you can see, today we got the Dunk Kentucky colorway. This is a very nice looking dunk. Let's start off with the soles. As you can see, you got the half blue, half white sole, which match the Kentucky colorway. Very nice. And this leather quality is also very nice. You got the swoosh, the Kentucky, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, you got the nice stitching on the back, but this actual hair is not really white. It's like a little powdery blue. It's like my hand color. Yeah, it's like a little powdery blue, but it's not really picking up on the camera. Then you got the nice little Nike on the insole, the nice cotton thick laces. It's not like the new dunks with the rubbish quality. And you got a nice nylon tongue with the Nike logo there, nicely padded. Very nice dunk. These dunks came out last year, 2020, with the coronavirus. So they released, did they come in 2020? I cannot even remember. It was such a long time ago. Yes, but the quality on these ones are crazy. If you can get these, I will highly recommend trying to grab these. The retail was £90, I believe, but the resale on these are crazy now. You have to pay something like £450, which is a lot of Ugandan dollars. I have not worn mine ones yet. I'm waiting for the lockdown to finish so I can wear some of my trainers. It's crazy out here. We cannot really wear our trainers. We just have to sit here in front of a camera and, you know, review them. So I will give you a quick on-hand shoot of how they look like. If you was to rock them with some socks, this is how they look like. You can wear them like this. It looks quite nice. You can hit some moonwalk. Very nice pair of dunks. They released on some other colors. They had the Syracuse color, which was the orange one. I do not have that one. And there's some red one. I do have that one. I'm going to do a review of the red one as well. But yes, all in all, these are a very nice pair of shoes. If you can get them, it's a classic colorway. Would look good every day dunk. And, you know, when you beat them up, dunks look even nicer. So as always, guys, if you like what you see, like the video. As always, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. And as always, Bali da.